Good morning, y'all. All right, so let's take our vitamins. I have my protein shake, and I can even take this now without having to put some protein shake in my mouth first. Yeah, but it's almost gone. There's like this much left. I'm gonna check on Amazon after this and see if it's still unavailable. Because it sucks now that I can actually consume it and then it's gonna be gone. This is Coca-Cola. It burns. All right, so guys, how was your Thanksgiving? I've been gone. I had my nephew in town, so I was busy entertaining, trying to find stuff for the kids to do, and I was also busy working. So I had a couple of friends over, and we had a little Thanksgiving get together. It was fun. Had all the kids. So Darius made fried chicken for our Thanksgiving thing because Camille didn't want to eat turkey. I tried turkey again the other day, like a piece of it. Still not a fan, okay? Maybe in like the Capriati's Bobby sandwich, it might be really good. But like a plain, yeah, I'm not really whatever. So anyway, this is Darius' fried chicken that we still have left over that he made. And then he actually brought over this hot sauce as well. So I'm going to eat it with this today. And then I just have a little, I have mashed potatoes, gravy, green beans, stuffing, and corn in here. And this was from the Dollar Tree dinner lady. I saw her make a casserole like for her Dollar Tree Thanksgiving, and it's just like, I was like, oh, that looks so good. So literally it's just, and these are all ingredients you can get from the Dollar Tree, right? This stuff I had obviously for part of our meal, so I was like, oh, let me just make it really quick. So it's a layer, mashed potatoes, and then like French green beans, and then, oh, she put turkey. I didn't put any turkey in it. And then gravy, and then she mixed cranberry with the stuffing and then put it on top and then baked it in the oven, and then it's casserole. So, have you guys tried it? Do you guys follow her? You should follow her. She's so good. I've made cookies from her. I like watching all of her different videos. I put this in the air fryer. Crisp it up. Okay, I got some dinner rolls. And I'm gonna make a little fake Thanksgiving sandwich with chicken. So yeah, my nephew was here. He's 18. He's a grown-up, but he's in high school. So Wednesday we did Thanksgiving early because I had to work on Thanksgiving. I worked on Thanksgiving, came home, took the kids to a movie. Red One, the new movie with The Rock and Chris Evans. It was good. I liked it. It was entertaining. All the kids liked it. I had a 5-year-old, a 16-year-old, and an 18-year-old. Okay, guys? So we're going to make a little, I don't even know how they make the Bobby. But they put mashed potatoes on it. I know there's no corn in it, but it doesn't matter. It's fine. And anyway, so we went to the movies, and then on Friday I worked. I got off work, and we went to In-N-Out because he has not had In-N-Out before, and Camille was hyping it up, of course. We went to Bass Pro Shops. We even went to the mall on Black Friday. On Saturday, they went to the New York roller coaster, and the ride's at Stratosphere, but apparently it was only one ride that was open when they went. It was super annoying. I got off work, and then I took them to the Shin Lim Magic Show, and then I took them to dinner. And then on Sunday, I took them to Area 15. We went axe throwing. And then I took him to Korean barbecue since he never had it before. Took him to Paris Baguette, Korean like pastry store, bakery. And then we chilled, and then it was time for him to catch his flight. So I think he had a very eventful, fun 2 days here. How was everybody's Thanksgiving, huh? What'd you guys do? What'd you guys eat? This fucking idiot. You know, you contact people and you tell them something that you already did, and then they're fucking asking you for shit like that's already been done. Get the fuck out of here. Alright, it's Monday, guys. Cyber Monday. Are you guys buying? Did you go shopping on Black Friday? We went, not like specifically for Black Friday shopping, but we had to go to the mall because I was going to buy my nephew a new winter jacket. So we had to go to the mall. Specifically for one item. And so it wasn't like I was like going all around trying to find deals or whatever. Let's put some hot sauce. So I'm off today and tomorrow and the next day. Oh, we got a drummy. Chicken honestly just tastes so much better than turkey. So what are you guys gonna do today? Me? I'm gonna do nothing. It's gonna be great. No, just kidding. I gotta go to the dollar store. Isn't this cute? Okay, so I got this at the Dollar Tree last year. I have some Santa ones that I got the year before. Well, I want to go see which ones they have available right now. What's this? Also, I exercised earlier. Yay, I give myself a pat on the back. And I did yesterday too. I'm gonna try to hit the treadmill every day this month. My goal is every day this week. I'm gonna start off with that goal. But ultimately the goal is every day this month, but we'll see what happens. Are you guys doing any like Elf on the Shelf or advent calendar stuff or whatever? I don't do Elf on the Shelf. We just bought this. We've never done one before. The kids haven't. I mean, I've done the one when I was little, but so Cameron's excited for it. He got to pick out the first one yesterday and got a little chocolate train. So we got to do the one later today. Oh my goodness. When you guys think Sprite be doing this, it's the Coca-Cola, y'all. It's Coca-Cola. All right, guys. Have a great Monday. Bye.